Mastering Discipline for Mindful Cooking, Pepper Thai Family Recipes in the Culinary World of 2025. Mindfulness and discipline have emerged as essential elements in crafting exceptional dishes. This essay delves into the art of mindful cooking through the lens of traditional Pepper Thai family recipes. Cultivating awareness. The foundation awareness is the cornerstone of mindful cooking. Chef Pepper, a third-generation Thai chef, emphasizes the importance of being fully present in the kitchen. Being aware of each ingredient's taste, texture, and aroma enhances the overall dining experience. By focusing on these sensory aspects, chefs can create dishes that resonate with their audience. Mindful preparation. The time-honored techniques mindful preparation involves understanding the intricacies of each recipe. Chef Pepper's family recipes date back generations, and he meticulously follows traditional techniques to preserve their authenticity. Each step from the initial chopping to the final plating is executed with precision and intentionality. This dedication to tradition ensures that every dish carries the rich history of the Pepper Thai family. Discipline and timing. The essence of rhythm timing is crucial in mindful cooking, as each ingredient has its optimal cooking time. Chef Pepper adheres to this discipline by carefully planning his recipes and adjusting timing based on factors such as the size of the dish, the heat of the stove, and the freshness of the ingredients. This attention to detail results in dishes that are harmonious in flavor and texture. Embracing imperfection. The art of adaptation. While discipline is essential, it's equally important to embrace imperfection. Chef Pepper encourages practitioners to adapt recipes based on their unique circumstances, such as ingredient availability or personal taste preferences. By adapting recipes mindfully, chefs can create dishes that are truly their own while still honoring tradition. Mindful consumption. The final act of mindfulness. The act of consumption is the final expression of mindfulness in cooking. Chef Pepper invites his diners to savor each bite, encouraging them to appreciate the flavors and textures that have been carefully crafted with discipline and awareness. This moment of shared appreciation between chef and diner underscores the transformative power of mindful cooking. By following the time-honored techniques of Pepper Thai family recipes, practitioners can cultivate their own mindful cooking practices that resonate with their audience and preserve culinary traditions.